You are welcome again to my YouTube channel, Teach Yourself Driving. As you all know, I'm still the same lecturer for today. I'm here to continue from the last time topic. The last time we did look at how to start a car. Today we are going to look at how to move a manual car. Today we are going to look at how to move a manual car. We move a car. Moving a car simply refers to what? Making the vehicle to be on motion. Moving a car simply refers to what? Making the vehicle to be on motion. That means that we have done our routine checks, we have done everything, we have started the car. It is now left with us to let the vehicle be on motion. That is what we mean by what? How to move a car. And today we are not going to look at how to move automatic car, but rather we are going to look at how to move a manual car. With a manual car, as we look at the previous video, it have 3 pedals. And we have 3 methods of what? Moving the manual car. We can use only the clutch method to move the manual car. We can also use the half clutch method to move the manual car. We can also use the clutch and the accelerator method to move the manual car. But these 3 methods that we have to move the manual car is based on the nature of the road. The nature of the road will tell you which of these methods you should use to move the manual car. If the road is a level ground, then it is preferable you use only the clutch method. But if the road is a hilly place, a step hill upwards, then it is preferable you use the half clutch method or half clutch method and accelerator method. So today we are going to look at how to use the half clutch method, which is the general method. With the general method, first of all, press on your clutch. When you have started the car, press on the clutch with your left foot. Your left foot should press on the clutch fully down. And your right foot should also be on the brake pedal fully down. Then the next step is move the gear lever from the neutral position to first gear, that is the gear 1, which is the stronger gear to move the manual car, or the arrow, gear arrow, which is the reverse gear to move the manual car backwards. So if I intend to move the manual car forward, then when I press on my full clutch and my leg is on the foot brake, then I move the gear lever. I'll bring it from the neutral position, hit it to my thigh, push it forward. That is my gear 1. Then I'll start lifting. The next step is start lifting your left leg from the clutch little by little and pay attention to the sound and vibration of the car. So when I move the gear to first, I engage the gear, the moving gear, which is the gear 1 or the gear arrow, then I'll start to lift my leg little by little from the clutch and pay attention. It will get to some level that the sound will change and vibration will set in. When that sound change and the vibration set in, I bring my handbrake down, which is the 4th point. Bring the handbrake down. When I bring the handbrake down, then I'll take my foot brake from the brake pedal. The vehicle will start being on motion. If it is on motion and I'm not satisfied with the motion of the vehicle, then what I do is I move my leg to the accelerator pedal and press on the accelerator pedal little by little. The vehicle will increase its motion. It will increase its speed gradually. That is the half clutch method to move the manual car, which is the general method that we prefer every driver should be familiar with. So that is how we move the manual car. But if you want to use only the clutch to move the manual car, make sure that the road is a level ground. When the road is a level ground, Then press on your full clutch, engage your first gear or your reversing gear if you intend to move backwards. Then take your leg from the foot brake and start lifting the clutch little by little, little by little, little by little. It will get to the biting point, the vehicle itself will start setting on motion. But don't forget to bring your handbrake down. And if it is the hilly place, then preferable use the half clutch method. With the half clutch method, full clutch, engage your moving gear you want, then start lifting your leg from the clutch little by little, little by little, and pay attention to the sound and vibration of the car. When it gets to that level, we call it the biting point or the half clutch point. At that point, choke your leg on that clutch there. Don't let it go down again. Don't let it come up. If it come up, the engine will go up. So you maintain it there at the half clutch, which is the biting point. Then release your handbrake and then gradually take your foot from the brake pedal. Then the vehicle will start setting on motion. If it is a hilly place and it is not able to move, then support it with the accelerator. Accelerator going down small, clutch is coming up. Accelerator going down small, clutch is coming up. You see that the vehicle will set in motion. These are the three methods that we use to move the manual car. So thank you for watching me. Keep on watching Teach Yourself Driving channel and you'll never regret it. We're in to help our dear brothers and sisters, including the learners drivers, for them to be able to operate the automobile very well without having any challenges. Keep on following my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, share, and you are welcome to Teach Yourself YouTube channel. Thank you very much.